back to my channel. You already know who it is. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we will be doing a hair review. I just bought some hair off AliExpress from a new vendor, at least new to me, called BeauDiva. At least that's how I'm gonna say it. I'll put the name somewhere in here, but so I'm excited I always like trying out new vendors just because I don't know, you never know. Like, you can hit it off with a vendor and that can be a vendor fab, okay? So, let's get into it. So guys, I ordered my hair on Saturday, which is August 3rd, and today is the 7th. It just came in the mail today. I don't think that's bad, especially with the 3rd being on a Saturday and today's only Tuesday. I got my hair by like 10 a.m. this morning, so I thought that was pretty fast. Let's see. Oh yeah, obviously, as you can tell, it comes in a nice aesthetics package, like so. And y'all, oh my gosh, it's been so hot in Boston. It's literally been 90+ degrees like the last 2 weeks. I'm like burning up, okay? So I got my fan going, my drink going. It's a mess. Okay, looks like I got some free lashes. I feel like every AliExpress company does that. They give you free lashes. I always give mine away because, like, what am I gonna do with it? I don't really wear lashes like that. But these ones are actually really nice. They're really cute. So this hair, guys, it is super affordable. When I tell you, I got 3 bundles of 18 inches and 1 frontal 16-inch frontal, and it was only $81, $80, something like that. So I'm like, oh, okay, hopefully it's good. So as you can tell, the packaging comes like this, like every other vendor. There's 100% human hair, unprocessed, natural hair, 18-inch body wave. See what it's all about? It does have a little smell to it. I can already smell it. Get out this net, girl. Yeah, it has like a little smell to it. You're definitely gonna have to go wash it. But it does feel really good just running my hands through it. Nice and silky and bouncy. It is a little frizzy, which I don't like. However, the wefts do look pretty thick. And the ends are actually pretty good also. So, I like it so far. One thing with the sellers, they don't really communicate that much, which to me isn't a problem, because I don't really like when you're up my ass, like, let me just get it, chill out, like, I know it's shipped, thank you. Like, you don't have to contact me every day. So I do like that they're very minimal, but obviously if you need something, they are there for you. Let me just take the rest of them out the package and see if they're all true to length or what's going on with them. Yeah, like I said, I did get a frontal. Also 16 inches. I swear I always open these like the wrong way or something. I don't know. Yeah, same thing. Has like a little smell to it. It's a big frontal. Nice like brown lace. I can tell this will be easy to dye, to like bleach my knots. I don't like that it's so messy and frizzy right out the packaging, but it's something I can get over. And I am running my hands through it, and I'm not, oh, I lied, I was gonna say I'm not getting a lot of shut-in, but as you can tell, I just got some hairs. No bueno. Yeah, I'm definitely getting shut-in running my hands through it. Not a lot, okay. Maybe if I pull hard. So I just got like, what's that, 2 or 3 hairs. out of it. I'm excited. So I do plan to make a unit out of this hair, so I'm hoping to have that done in the next couple of days. May or may not do a video on it. Who knows? See how I'm feeling. And then I believe after like a month, I am going to do an update on this hair, just because low-key, this is not even low-key, honestly. Everybody knows when you first get hair, any hair, no matter what you're doing to your hair, that first week it's popping, like it's everything, it's life. So I figure maybe after a month I can come back, give the honest, real tea on pretty much everything that has to do with this hair. Hopefully there's no tangling, because ain't nothing worse than when your hair gets tangled right here, okay, in the back. Like, everybody know that it's the worst, especially on these hot ass summer days right now. But my overall opinion so far, just like straight off the packaging, is it really, like, I love the texture of the hair. It has a nice luster to it, and I think it's like the perfect back to school hair, for the simple fact that it is manageable from what I can tell so far, and it's definitely affordable. Because like I said, I got 3 18-inch bundles and 1 16-inch frontal for $80. Like, come on, like, where you gonna find that deal? And that's not even a back to school special, that's just what it is normally. So hopefully I can have that video up for you guys, and in a month hopefully have a review for you guys. But as always, thank you for watching, y'all.